Hi guys, so I have just updated my Fedora to the latest version. Just run this command. I'm sure you know what to do. Yeah, I'm sure if you have this problem by now, you have updated it. And so the problem we have is that our apps are not working. As you can see, I'm trying to open the App Store. Of course, that's the least app that you need as a developer. Even terminal. If we close terminal right now and we now try to reopen terminal, let's do this, it will just come like this. So we have rendering issues, right? Basically almost everything is broken. Yeah, anything else that you try to open, but there are a few apps that work, like Google Chrome still works. Haven't tried all the apps, but yeah, basically the most important things like terminal are no longer working, at least on the graphical user interface side. But the solution is quite simple. Yeah, basically it's quite simple. So what we are going to do is that we are going to enter into TTY, into the text-based terminal. So if you're on Windows, you will just have to press Control Alt F3. But if you are on Mac, press Function Control Alt F3. Yeah, if you're on Mac, just add function. Right. And so I have pressed those key combinations and we are into the TTY. Yeah, when you just press those. So it's asking for us to log in. Sorry, my focus is not good. Yes, it's asking for us to log in. So here I'm just gonna enter my user. Don't worry, you guys seeing my user. It's nothing. Right. Then my password right here. To log into my GNOME. Right, and now I am into. Sorry, a few details that I didn't say. I don't know if this bug is only for those running GNOME desktop. Yeah, but I face this bug. I'm using GNOME desktop, using Fedora 42 to be specific, the latest update. I don't know if this issue is there for other distros. I think I saw Arch Linux might have this issue. Yeah, I saw on the forum somewhere someone had said about also Arch Linux having the same issue. Right, and so we are into the terminal. Our GUI terminal is not working, and so this is the TTY terminal. Right. Yeah. Alright, so what we need to enter now, we need to enter this command. Sudo dnf, your package manager, then say downgrade, and so we need to specify we are downgrading mesa. Mesa is basically what's causing this issue. As I searched on the forums, then we're going to put an argument saying refresh. Right, let me zoom into that so that you get to see that. I'm having issues with my focus. Right. Yeah, hope you guys have seen what I'm trying to show you. Yeah, that's basically what I'm trying to show you. Don't know why the camera is not switching to the zoom, but yeah, that's what I'm trying to show you. Right, and so we have that. All you need to do is just press enter now. I need to ask you for your password, and you press enter. We let the process continue. So we let it do its thing. I'm going to try to cut this feature, and so we have that. Press Y to say yes, and related to its thing. It's doing here, we can see that it's changing 14 things. So there are 14 things that are related to the mesa, 14 mesa updates that is rolling back to the previous version. Okay, we are progressing, we are getting somewhere. We just let this run through. Right, and so that is done. So yeah, it's done. The changes it has made are these, yeah, related to these things. And so it's done. So what we need to enter now, we just need to restart our computer by saying sudo reboot. You can add now to add the agency in this rebooting. And here is our Fedora workstation. Right, we are in. Now what we need to do, let's just check if everything is working properly, and as we can see, terminal has opened immediately and everything is working properly. See, if we want, we can close that and reopen it, and there everything is working properly. We first noticed the problem with the app, and everything is working properly. We can now see everything. Yeah, and yeah, that's the fix, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as I am new into this thing of making content.